Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be working on a Hoover. It doesn't have any power, so let's just see what's going on with it. Okay, this is an oldie but a goodie. This is a Hoover PortaPower, and this one came in where it said there was no power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up and see why there's no power. Okay. Okay. I see a lot of stuff coming from the fan. I think we're going to have a damaged motor, but sounds kind of bad too. Oh yeah, I can see the fan's broke. So we just have to find the motor wires. Okay, this one is coming from the motor. This is right here. Let's get my leads, my tester line. So this is one side of the motor, and then if we trace the other side, it goes here. Huh. This one and this one. So it should turn on. It does turn on. Well, it looks like it might have two problems, so let's test the cord. Okay, so we'll take this one off. This is one lead to the cord. So then this would be the other lead, which would be this guy. So the cord is good, so it might be our switch. So let's test our switch now. That is weird. Let's just plug it in again with these wires touching. Okay. So it does, okay. Let's see. One of the fans had ripped off, so no matter what I can do, I don't have these fans anymore. So there's nothing we can do, but we know exactly what's wrong with it. The motor's bad. So I'm gonna give him a call, see what he wants to do, and that is it for this one. All right, thanks a lot. Okay, I just got off the phone with the customer, and there's nothing we can do. So they're just going to come pick it up. They love this old machine, but if we can't get a part for it, we can't get a part for it. So that is what happened to this. I got it all put together and just waiting for the customer to come pick it up.